channel documents my journey as a Bayliner Trophy owner. I hope to show that as an average owner, if you do your research, use premium supplies, and follow instructions, that you can have a very successful DIY project. On and off the water, when it comes to safety, there is no compromise. So always read and follow all manufacturers' guidelines. In 2010, the Trophy was the best deal available in my price range that had the features I wanted. I fish solo a lot, so the 21-foot Trophy is a manageable size that I can afford to operate. We will examine some of the features, upgrades, and systems on my Project Trophy, and I hope to encourage all boat owners to have the confidence to tackle their own projects safely and correctly. Boating allows me to connect to my inner self, my family, and friends. And the journey is always the greatest reward. But in order to do this, everything has to work. Break down on vacation, and it's over. Most neglected parts will fail, but with minimal effort, you can extend their lifespan and save a lot of time and money. Cash won't help you if you're looking for a marine shop during the summer. You need self-reliance. The first two projects are very challenging, with a high difficulty and tools rating. I will be replacing the poorly designed aluminum gunnel with a much stronger fiberglass laminate, and resurfacing the dash and helm in the Topside Project. We'll examine and review the tools and supplies for the job, and show in detail how I tackled these very ambitious projects. We'll look at some specific features of the Trophy, and how I customized my boat for decades of safe adventure, where my dreams await.